Oh my God, pork steak, guys. Are y'all ready for this? Come on, let's get involved, baby. Woo!
Yeah.
Hello and welcome back to a Bodacious Barbecue Jams episode. It's gonna be incredible, it's gonna be insane. We're gonna be cooking up amazing pork steaks. We're gonna have some crazy players over here. It's gonna be out of control. So, who's coming over here tonight? So, we have Kevin Sklar on guitar. And he's bringing one of his buddies tonight, Isaiah Hart. Can't wait to hear this guy. I heard good things. He's got a really cool Instagram page, by the way. And who else is coming over here? On bass tonight, we have a newcomer as well, another one. Cooper Von Balsen. I hope I'm saying that right, buddy, but I think that's how you say it. Anyway, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, without further ado, people, let's get involved. Boom! All right, guys, so let's dive into these pork steaks. So, my sister hooked me up. Thank you very much, Lauren, by the way. Went to the store and hooked me up with some of these really killer, about an inch thick pork steaks off of a pork shoulder. So, let's go ahead and dive in. Hey, before we get started, I like to use this honing steel. It doesn't really sharpen it, it just kind of hones the knife back in. So, anyway, it's better when you're working with a sharper knife than a dull. You won't hurt yourself. So, okay, jumping into these guys. Here we go. So we're going to be using some SPG tonight. This is Kinder's SPG, and also going to be using some of my OG Barbecue Jams Rough, which you can pick up, by the way, at shop@merchco.com if you're looking for any of this stuff. It's delicious. So we're going to start off with the SPG. Alright. We'll let these sit for about 5-10 minutes before popping them on the grill. Let them sweat out. And we'll be right back. All right, so these pork steaks are ready to go on the grill, so here we go. Nice, got a nice charcoal bed going on. We want to keep an eye on these and turn them like about every 5 minutes. Just kind of keep an eye on them. We're looking for an internal temp of about 200, a little north of 200. Ooh, wow. Already smelling great. All right, cool. So that's it. If you guys enjoy some jams, like and subscribe. Let's get involved, people. Come on. We're back. Let's do a little flip. Looking good, guys. I'll see you back here in a minute. Okay, so on some of these steaks, I'm actually going to throw on some sauce. And I've got these two different ones from Kinder's. This one is a blackberry chipotle barbecue, and this one is a hickory brown sugar. So I'm gonna put some of them are gonna get some of the sauce, and a couple are gonna get no sauce because I just want to try it without the sauce. So anyway, you do you, however you like. But here we go. Okay, cool. All right, gonna let these hang out for a little bit and we'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna do a little turn here. We're gonna sauce them up and we're getting ready to pull. Okay, we'll be back. to pull, guys. Here we go. I left a couple without sauce, just so we can try them out. This is that brown sugar. Brown sugar!
I knew it was coming.
You knew it was coming, baby. Come on. Ooh, these are looking good. Woo, these are looking good. All right, cool. Woo, guys, check it out. Oh my God. Wow. We are getting ready to chow down on some of these killer pork steaks.
Yeah.
All right, y'all ready for some of these amazing, delicious pork steaks I've been working on all day long? Maybe an hour or so, really. But I'm ready to carve into these guys. So by the way, we have a couple of newcomers over here. We've got Cooper over here. What's up, Bubba?
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Doing great.
Thanks so much for hanging out and wanting to play with us tonight.
Dude, I'm stoked about it. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be incredible. And we also have Isaiah here. What's up, bro?
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going?
Awesome.
Dude, I can't wait to hear some of the stuff that's going on in the studio.
I can't wait to chat.
Oh man. And we also have Captain Sklar over here. And by the way, it's his birthday. We got another birthday over here. What's going on over here? It's
Yeah,
like the
happy
thing
birthday,
that's
man.
going on now. What are you at, 24?
24.
Bro!
Yeah.
If I can turn that time. It's all good. Anyway, without further ado, guys, let's rip into these steaks and see what's going on. So here we go.
Get involved.
All right, let's get involved, people. So I've got, tonight I have, this is the sauce for this guy, which is a black cherry chipotle barbecue. This one is a hickory brown sugar. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut into them. And everybody's just gonna grab some pieces and go for it. So, you got. So, without further ado, you guys grab a piece and see what you think. I'm gonna grab a piece in with you guys. So, what do you guys want to try first? I think I'm gonna try this brown sugar guy right here.
Get into it.
See what happens.
It's good.
Go brown sugar.
Let's all go for it. Why not?
Yeah. All right. Cool. It's a little hot. Just came off. So, cheers, gentlemen.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right. Here we go, people. Whoa.
It's like an explosion of beautiful flavor in my mouth.
Whoa. I like hearing that. That's good.
Everything is good about it, man.
Whoa.
Really good, really
Oh man, that's
delicious.
tasty.
Texture's fantastic.
This is the black cherry chipotle barbecue.
Hickory brown sugar.
Oh, this is brown sugar.
We have a brown sugar going on right now, so that is really good.
Man,
Whoa.
A little bit of sweetness to it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Great.
Ooh, I'm really looking forward to seeing what that black cherry chipotle barbecue is going to be all about. Go ahead and grab some, whatever you guys want too, if you want to keep going.
Absolutely.
Oh man,
Just gonna finish it off.
just hang on with this one for a minute.
Finger
Just for a
looking
sec.
good.
Yeah, I've seen this next one.
I'm going to give Matthew a little taste.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go, girl.
Actually, that's awesome.
Chipotle a little bit different.
Still really, really good.
Really good. Cool, cool, cool. I'm going Chipotle. Let's see what happens. That chicken going on. This is good. That's what's nice about these pork steaks. There's just a lot of meat, and it's really cost effective. If you guys are trying to feed like a big party or something like that,
Definitely.
kind of like what this is going on tonight. So
Right.
this is perfect.
I'm
Yeah.
usually kind of
Yeah.
iffy on pork because I feel like it's really easy for it to get dried out. But this
Yeah.
is
Whoa!
it's got juice.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Ooh, that Chipotle is good.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a whole different
It's
flavor.
good.
See what it's about.
Wow. Another ball game.
Best birthday
man.
ever.
Oh, come on.
No, for real.
Bro. Dude, that's awesome.
Get involved.
Guys, so let's get involved. I'm gonna chop up some more of this. I'm gonna bring some more people on. And yeah, like and subscribe, people. Come on.
Get on.
Let's do it.
If you're not subscribed, what are you doing?
I know.
You gotta be.
Gotta get involved, people.
This is what you need.
We're gonna bring Martine over here. And he's got a wonderful guest with him as well. We've got Deanna over here. Come on, Deanna. Come on down. Woohoo. All right. How's it going, guys? It's good to see y'all. Y'all want to get involved with some of these pork steaks? Now we have regular, brown sugar, and chipotle. So, and there's more sauce if you guys want to put any on, but give it a shot and see what you think.
Smells incredible. And I'm gonna start with hickory.
Okay. Go in with the hickory, man. Do it. Oh, the regular. Ah, okay. Nice. Aha. Ooh, thank you very much.
Mmm. Interesting.
Interesting. Not an excellent,
No.
but an interesting.
No.
We're going to see about
That is.
an excellent at some point.
It is.
I got a feeling that Chipotle might be the ringer dinger for you.
It's the humdinger.
The
The humdinger, is that what it is?
Really, really good.
Thanks, brother. Cooper, come on, Bubba.
Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't been invited.
If you haven't seen him already on this episode, come on in, bro.
What's
you want
happening?
to go in for one of these? What
So
you think?
let's see, we have
Yeah, go
Gotta
for
this
another one.
one
Yeah,
now.
yeah, do it.
That's a spicy one.
Well, I mean, I might have to try a couple
Absolutely.
just to see what's going on here. Okay, this is the black pepper, black cherry.
That is the black cherry chipotle barbecue. Which I personally like that one myself, but
It's so good.
pretty good, right?
I mean, I'm not normally a pork fan, but
Wow.
I'm sold.
Something about how do you like that sauce? Yeah,
This one is really good.
I really like
Black
that one
cherry,
a lot.
chipotle.
Yeah, that
That
was killing.
is.
killing.
I think it tastes even better.
I thought so too.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm. Thought it was gonna be
I gotta
more
try the brown
spicy, but
sugar.
it's not. It's perfect.
Man, Mazzy is just circling like sharks
doesn't-
around like
Who doesn't like brown
around.
sugar though? Let's be honest.
Yeah, I know.
It's not too spicy.
Oh, Mazzy, you are so jealous.
She totally is.
You're so good.
Waiting.
Wow. All right.
I don't want to take James Salzer's line,
Oh well.
so
hey,
I'm just
look.
gonna say that's fantastic.
Hey, I'll take fantastic. Come on, bro. What do you think? Pretty sweet?
Excellent. Excellent.
Do you want to try the Chipotle ones? Give that one a shot. See what you think. No rush. You don't have to just do your thing. You're good.
The chipotle is.
I think it's like right on time. It's all good.
Oh, yeah. And I'm gonna.
I just inhaled my
This-
food. I got problems. It's terrible. Ooh,
I gotta do
going
it.
in for regular?
I gotta
Okay,
do it.
cool.
I like this one. I like it.
Nice. Okay, and that's the regular, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. I'm gonna
You
cut
working
these
on it?
up and start feeding all the people. You guys like and subscribe and enjoy. We are getting involved, people. Come on.
Perfect.
Everybody needs a little of this in their
I
life.
hadn't eaten since like 3 o'clock today. This
Oh,
is
dude, well-
hitting these spots.
Yes. That's what usually I like to try to do is starve everybody before the show because everything kind of tastes better when you're really hungry. Hey guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, you have got to try those pork steaks. They are incredible. What'd you guys think of those pork steaks tonight?
Excellent.
Oh,
Great.
incredible, right?
So good.
Rico,
I mean,
Rico.
What was that?
Rico.
Rico. Hey, look. I don't know who Rico is, but it sounded like it was good.
Sabroso.
Hey, so we also have actually 3 new newcomers here tonight. So we have over here we have Deanna hanging out with us. We also have Cooper, Isaiah, and Kevin's been here, but he has a new shirt because it's his birthday, so I'm hooking him up. And all of this is provided by the merch company. Thank you very much, Derek Enner. Guys, we're having a blast. We're always having a good time over here. Like, subscribe. Let's get involved, guys. We're having a blast over here. Come on, let's go. Boom.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Woo.